Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Rock Band 4 is probably one of the most immersive music gaming experiences available. This bundle offers everything you need to start your virtual rock career, from the instruments to the game itself. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or new to the music game scene, this bundle provides hours of fun and a chance to unleash your inner rockstar with friends and family. Number 5. PDP Rock Band Rivals Band Kit for PlayStation 4. Get ready to rock with this amazing band kit. It includes everything you need to start your musical journey. This is the perfect way to experience the thrill of a live performance. The kit features a sleek, wireless gray Fender Jaguar guitar controller. It's designed for comfort and precision, allowing you to master every riff and solo. It's easy to set up and ready to play. This band kit is specifically designed for the PlayStation 4. It seamlessly integrates with your console, providing a smooth and immersive gaming experience. You can enjoy hours of fun with your friends. Experience the ultimate music gaming experience with Rock Band Rivals. It offers a wide variety of songs and challenges. This will keep you entertained for hours. Gather your friends and form a band. This kit is perfect for parties and game nights. It's a great way to bond and create lasting memories. What we like. This bundle includes a wireless gray Fender Jaguar guitar controller, making setup a breeze. If you're looking for a simple, straightforward way to jump into Rock Band 4, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want to start playing immediately without any complicated setup. What people say. The Jaguar guitar is definitely a step above the Stratocaster launched with RB4. The buttons are very soft, which for expert players is a bonus, so there is no real break-in period to speak of. There is no drop-off to speak of considering the Bluetooth functionality, at least as far as I've seen. I'm very happy with the new instruments, and it's worth it to upgrade if you are still using legacy from RB3. Number 4. PDP Rock Band Rivals Wireless Fender Jaguar Bundle. This is a refurbished product, tested and certified to work like new. The refurbishing process includes functionality testing and basic cleaning. The product has been inspected and repackaged. It ships with all relevant accessories. You can expect it to arrive in a generic box. Get ready to rock with this bundle. This bundle includes a wireless Fender Jaguar. It is designed for PlayStation 4. Everything you need to get started is included. This bundle is perfect for any music game enthusiast. What we like. This product is refurbished, tested, and certified to work like new. It comes with all the necessary accessories, ensuring a complete experience. If you're on a budget or prefer a more sustainable option, this is a great way to enjoy Rock Band 4. What people say. Works well, dialed it in easy. You do have to connect it differently than the older RB4 guitars. Well worth the time and the play is outstanding. Like the placement of the buttons on the base of the guitar is much better. The guitar itself is pretty nice. Having it fold up makes storage way easier. Me encantaron los instrumentos de este rock band, de verdad PDP ese esmero en el diseño, calidad y precio. Es un mundo de diferencia la conexión, via Bluetooth a comparación de los periféricos de la generación anterior, además de que ya no se requieren por instrumento 3 pilas a sino 2, y la guitarra es plegable y la batería soporta los pros cymbals. Compra obligada site gusta en verdad rock band y tienes un gran compilado de canciones, y que te permite exportar todas las rolas de los anteriores rock band y las canciones que tengas adquiridas desde el origen de la marca. Materials, estética y funcionalidad de la guitarra excellence. Number 3. Rock Band 4 Wireless Fender Stratocaster Guitar Controller. This guitar controller features 2 sets of fret buttons. They allow you to unleash amazing guitar solos in Rock Band 4's new freestyle guitar solos. The bottom set is ideal for finger tapping through speedy sets. You can activate overdrive and rack up the points with a redesigned tilt sensor. It features an improved accelerometer, sharpening its ability to sense when you've tilted the guitar controller. The guitar controller's new auto-calibration sensor makes it quick and easy to sync with your video game system. You can get started playing right away. This guitar controller is compatible with Rock Band VR on Oculus Rift via Bluetooth. It is a great way to enjoy the game. This guitar controller is wireless, which gives you more freedom. It is a great way to enjoy the game without the hassle of wires. What we like. It features the new freestyle guitar solos, allowing you to unleash your inner rockstar. The improved tilt sensor ensures accurate overdrive activation. If you like to shred and want precise control, this guitar controller is designed for you. What people say. Works great for Clone Hero on PC. Pairs with Bluetooth in 2 seconds and is seamless. Well-made controller, responsive input, tightly connected fret buttons. Just exactly what is advertised, works great. Number 2. Mad Catz Saitek Tritton Rock Band 4 PS4. Get ready to rock with this amazing music set. It includes everything you need to start your musical journey. This set is perfect for any aspiring musician. Experience the freedom of wireless play with the included Fender Stratocaster guitar. It provides a realistic feel and responsive controls. You'll be shredding in no time. Immerse yourself in the world of Rock Band 4. The set is designed for the PS4 platform, offering seamless integration. It provides hours of entertainment. This set is brought to you by Mad Catz, a trusted name in gaming accessories. The set is built to last and provide a premium experience. You can count on its quality. This set includes the game and the guitar, so you're ready to play right away. It's the perfect package for any music lover. Get ready to perform. What we like. This set includes a wireless Fender Stratocaster guitar. It's a complete music set, ready to get you playing right away. If you're looking for a classic guitar design and a full band experience, this is a great option. What people say. Unbound playlist. Guitare belle et robust. Exactly what we wanted, good price and speedy delivery. Thank you. P.S. There is a review that is misleading. This bundle includes the DVD and guitar, just to clear things up. Number 1. Rock Band 4 Band in a Box for Xbox One. Ready to rock. This bundle delivers the excitement of a live band performance. It's designed to make you feel like a rock star on stage. This Rock Band 4 bundle has everything you need to get started. It includes the game software and all the equipment to get you and your friends ready to perform. Unleash your inner guitar hero with the wireless Fender Stratocaster. The new freestyle guitar solo mode lets you shred like never before. It also has a redesigned tilt sensor for overdrive and auto-calibration. Keep the beat with the wireless drum kit. It features 4 durable drum pads and a metal-reinforced kick pedal. The sound-absorbing design makes playing easy. Sing your heart out with the USB microphone. It provides full 48 kHz quality audio, ensuring your vocals come through clearly. Get ready to enjoy one of the best party games around. What we like. This bundle includes everything you need to start a band, including a guitar, drums, and microphone. It delivers the full Rock Band 4 experience right out of the box. If you and your friends want to rock together, this is the ultimate bundle. What people say. Rock Band has a practice mode just for that. RB4 has hammer-ons and pull-offs and uses that mechanic to simulate slides and to a lesser extent bending. RB4 triggers the music when you play, meaning that if you mess up, the music doesn't play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.